Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will be doing a beautiful loose flower painting, and the flowers I'm taking for today are very lovely poppies and daisies. So let's get started. So I'll start with preparing the background for the painting, and I'm first giving a clear water wash to the paper. A clear wash helps the pigments to spread beautifully and naturally. I'm using Camel Artist watercolors, and from there Prussian blue and sap green for the background. So just see, as soon as I apply the pigments, the spread is very beautiful, very sky-like. The green part forms the grass, and so the movement of my brush is vertical and diagonal while doing that. As I'm going to paint poppies, I'm adding a hint of Crimson Lake Red also in the background. Very loose strokes, and they all mix and merge very nicely. And while the base layer is still wet, I'm applying more pigment to give a loose sky and grass appeal. How dark or light you want the background depends on you, and accordingly you will keep adding more pigment here. I'm keeping it medium dark. Adding some more diagonal strokes. I'm using a 25% cotton cold pressed watercolor paper, but you can even use 100% cotton paper for such paintings. The spread of pigment will be more natural in that case. I think even I should have used 100% cotton paper for this painting, but nevertheless, because I've already started, let me proceed with a 25% cotton paper only. Now I'll dry it quickly with a drying tool to proceed to the next step. If you wish, you can let it dry on its own also. So I'm starting with the poppy flowers first. For the poppy red, I've mixed vermilion hue and crimson lake red in ratios of almost 4:1, more of vermilion hue and less of crimson lake. So the part I'm going to do now is the most important part of this painting. Please take a look at this carefully. I'm applying a very light first coat of the pigment, and now after cleaning my brush, I'm going to take out some blue from the background. So this is how we take out or we lighten the background in any painting. Now I can give more red. I introduce some yellow, that is gamboge hue yellow, in the flower now, and leave it to dry a bit before doing the next coat of pigment on this flower. Meantime, I'll do another flower in the same way. Adding some black and some more red. I'm adding more red at the base, and because our base is wet, the pigment will spread very nicely. Now I will let these flowers to dry. Let me paint another flower in a different angle here. So applying red first, and while it is wet, I'm taking out the base color from the desired place. Now giving a hint of yellow and black and some more red to define the flower. Now this flower, I'll give a different angle. So I hope this easy technique is clear to you. You can paint any flowers on a colored background like this. I'm using a combination of natural and synthetic brushes here. Using Brustro Artist natural hair round brush size 0 and synthetic hair round brush size 4 and 1 for my painting. So I've painted some more poppies like this, and now I'm adding some easy white daisies to our painting. So I'm using gamboge hue yellow for the center part of the flower, and I'll clear my brush for any pigment before cleaning it with water to avoid any wastage of pigments. And now in the same way I'm going to take out the blue from the base. So I think I've taken out sufficient. Now adding some gamboge yellow and yellow ochre to this center of the flower. Now for the white petals, I'm using acrylic colors, as watercolor being transparent colors will not give a bright white petal feel to the painting, and acrylic on the other hand are thicker colors. And the look of the daisy petals will be achieved more easily and beautifully. So I'm not adding any water to the white acrylic color. I think the flower has come out nice. So let me do some more flowers in the same way. So I'm painting poppies and daisies here, and this just forms an example. You can create the background in this way and then paint any flowers of your choice. Create a number of similar floral paintings to decorate a corner of your room. Now to enhance the background in lighter and darker tones of the same green, I'm doing some more loose leaves and stems. thought of adding some more daisies in the painting. So guys, our beautiful, easy and quick poppies and daisies painting is ready. I hope you liked the tutorial. In case you like it, please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in yet another exciting tutorial. Till then, keep happy, stay safe, keep smiling. Goodbye.